Hey sculpting friends, I just wanted to show you that I have reworked things a little bit in the shop. I've decided to not tie the doll purchases with the membership at all. So I've just rearranged this, and so now I have many of these dolls that a lot of them are at really low prices, just so I can raise up some funds quickly and so you can have a chance to get a fun doll without paying enough to break the bank for it. So anyway, those are available for you. And as well, we have reworked the membership. I think I'm gonna do it this way instead. The $1 for the fairy dust that gets you access to all of the YouTube videos too with no ads, and your discount code each month, and a lot of fun little perks throughout the month that are just for members only. Any of the perks in the store, if you're a member of any of these, pretty much I think you get access to them. The second one is going to be the Sculpt-A-Thon membership. This $39 a month also includes shipping in the United States as well. So if you are outside the US, contact me through the messages and we can figure out what the shipping will be for you that way. But anyway, so you've got your dollar level, the $39 Sculpt Boxes monthly membership. With this one, you will also get access to the past Sculpt Boxes online. So you'll be added to the online course and be able to see all the videos from the past Sculpt Boxes too. And then the final membership is the $49 one for Sculpt University. And now I still am adding everything to that, so it will still be an amazing value. I think it just might be better to separate some of these things out so you can customize what it is that you're interested in. Anyway, thank you so much for your support. Be sure to notice in the shop that we have some member-only purchases. Now remember, all you need is just the $1 membership if you would like to take advantage of these. Any of the memberships will qualify you for this, but every so often we'll have these available for you, so be sure to stop by and see what great deals you can find.